Over 100 vendors claim to have a SIEM. Most can't deliver. Can your SIEM do this? Outcomes Navigator. Most SIEM platforms stop at detection, leaving teams unclear where their defenses are strong and where gaps exist. Outcomes Navigator from Exabeam changes that. It maps your tools and data to real-world outcomes, like MITRE ATT&CK coverage and top use cases, including lateral movement and credential abuse. With help from Exabeam Nova, you get a clear report showing where you're covered and where to improve. It's a roadmap for stronger security, helping your team focus on what matters most. Real intelligence, real security, real fast.